Have you ever felt like no one truly understands the weight you carry as a Black woman? The expectations, the sacrifices, the quiet strength the world demands from you, day after day. Now imagine a space, every single week, where God meets you right where you are. A sacred space filled with grace, love, and clarity. That's what this Bible study offers. This isn't just another devotional. This is a journey, a healing journey, a bold, honest, and spirit-led path that allows you to rediscover your strength through God's Word. Too many Black women are spiritually exhausted. They give and give, but often feel unseen, unheard, and disconnected. Maybe you've tried reading the Bible before, but it didn't speak to your specific struggles. Maybe you've joined Bible groups, but felt out of place or misunderstood, feeling anxious or disconnected, ready for a deeper faith journey designed just for you. Discover Bible Study for Black Women. This guide nurtures faith, strength, and growth week by week. Overcome fear and connect with God. This empowering journey is waiting. Find Bible Study for Black Women on Amazon today and start building unshakable faith. Maybe your faith feels like it's running on fumes, but you're still holding on, hoping for something real. This 52-week devotional is different. It's not just about theology, it's about your reality. Each week gives you: Number 1, a powerful verse that speaks directly to your heart. Number 2, a reflection rooted in your lived experience. Number 3, a challenge to help you grow stronger, spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. Number 4, a prayer that wraps you in God's peace. Let me walk you through what makes this journey life-changing. Let me take you into one of the powerful weeks from the book. Exodus 14 verse 14. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Now think about that. How many times have you felt like you had to fight every battle? Fight to be heard. Fight to be respected. Fight to protect your family, your dignity, your dreams. But what if God is saying to you today, "Daughter, I've got this. You don't have to fight alone." In this week's study, we reflect on the truth that God doesn't just love you. He defends you. He stands in front of your pain, your fears, your anxiety, and shields you with His presence. Think of one area in your life where you've been doing all the fighting. Now ask God, can you take this, Lord, and believe that He already is? Father, thank you for being my defender. When the world feels too heavy, when I don't know how to protect myself, I trust that you are surrounding me with your power. I choose to be still today, knowing that you fight for me. Amen. Real life story, Denise's journey. Let me introduce you to Denise, a mother of 2 from Atlanta. She told me, I was burnt out. I was always strong for others, but inside, I was breaking. One day, she stumbled upon Bible Study for Black Women while searching Amazon. She made a promise to herself, 20 minutes every Sunday. That's all. No expectations. Just her Bible, and a cup of tea. By week 12, Denise shared this. I started crying during my devotionals, not out of sadness, but release. I didn't know how much I needed this space to feel seen, loved, and heard by God. Now, Denise leads a small group of other women from her community through the same 52-week journey. Each of the 52 weeks in the book contains: Number 1, a specific Bible verse with context. Number 2, a life reflection tailored for Black women. Number 3, an empowering challenge for the week. Number 4, a heartfelt prayer to keep your spirit aligned. Number 4, journaling prompts to process your emotions with God. Topics include: Number 1, healing from disappointment. Number 2, trusting God through anxiety. Number 3, navigating identity in a divided world. Number 4, balancing purpose, family, and peace. Number 5, celebrating your strength without burning out. You are not invisible to God. You are not forgotten. You are not just surviving. You are growing, thriving, becoming. This journey isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. letting God love you deeply, weekly, intentionally. Bible Study for Black Women Asterisk is your companion. It's a healing space to return to every week for wisdom, rest, and strength. Link is in the description and I have pinned in the comment section. From there, you can grab your book. Order your copy today and take your first step toward the breakthrough you've been praying for. In our next video, I'll walk you through the 5 promises every Black woman needs to hear from God. Until then, stay faithful, stay strong, and stay rooted in His Word.